In this video, I'm going to teach you how to be a mink in Blox Fruits. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The mink, also known nowadays as a rabbit, is one of the 4 races that players can spawn upon joining the game. So when you join Blox Fruits for the first time, you will be assigned a random race, which can be the mink. It has roughly a 12.5 chance to be granted. This race is widely used because it gives you a good speed boost, and it is effective in traveling, PvP, chasing people, and running. So in this video, I'm going to cover all of the ways in which you will be able to be a mink. If you join the server and you notice that you aren't a mink already, then you will have to look into these alternatives. The main one is going to be available on the shop. So if you scroll down on the shop, you will find products, and then you have the option to change race. Don't worry, there are methods to change your race without Robux, and I'm going to talk about them later, but I do want to highlight this one. If you are okay with spending Robux, all that you have to do is purchase this, and you will have a chance to get one of these races here: human, shark, angel, or rabbit, and like I said, rabbit is mink. So purchase it here and see if you become a mink. You just have to keep repeating this until you get the race that you want. Now, if you don't want to spend Robux, the next thing that is the best option is going to be interacting with Tort. Tort is a shop NPC who is located in the cafe on the 2nd C or the mansion in the 3rd C. By talking to that specific NPC, you will be able to use fragments. In exchange for 3,000 fragments, he will change your race randomly. And once again, it is going to be random between human, rabbit, shark, and angel. So roughly a 33% chance, because of course you will have 4 races available and you cannot reroll into the race that you already have. So as long as you talk to Tort or you go into the shop, you will be able to get this done. One of them is going to cost you fragments while the other will cost you Robux. I hope I was able to help you on how to be a mink in Blox Fruits. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.